wanted to do this tutorial because I'm going to do some solo ads, and I figured now would be a good time. I've had for a while now a bunch of people to tell me, why do you use QLiker? And it is a software that's like ClickMagick, where you can put in your tracking links and do all your tracking and everything. And I said, for one, it's easy, and two, it's cheaper. So I wanted to present this time to show you why I like it. And as an alternative to ClickMagick, it's cheaper. Now, I am an affiliate of QLiker, but I'm also an affiliate of ClickMagick. I'm going to make more money from ClickMagick. In my power, I have sworn to do the best for you and give you the cheapest for the best. So, a friend of mine told me about this a while back, so I wanted to tell you about it. Okay, who am I? Hi, I'm Shelly Hopkins, and welcome to my channel. On this channel, I talk about affiliate marketing, online marketing, passive income, and all of the software that can help us between all of that, okay? Do me a favor, if you're into anything like that, subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss any of my videos. I produce at least 1 to 2 videos a week. And if you get anything out of this video, do me a favor and give me a thumbs up. And if you know anyone that does any kind of tracking or would like to save money from ClickMagick, share this video for me. I greatly appreciate it. And if you have any questions or any videos that you would like me to see, just leave them in the comments below, okay? If you wait to the end of this video, I can actually tell you the best way to save you money, and it's going to be the best option for your business, period. Again, I'm trying to help you save more money. You think this is going to save money? Wait till you get into the video, okay? Let's jump into this, okay? To be honest, I haven't used this in a while, so I figured it would be a good example to show you how easy it is to see if I can remember it. Okay, this is QLiker. This is the dashboard. Hide me. Okay, it'll show you the links, conversions, revenue. Okay, most people are into the links. They want to track their links, right? Okay, here's some stuff that I've done a while back. Throw a zero now because I had to sign out, sign back in, all that kind of stuff. And also, for price, just so you know, like this is $12 is the cheapest plan, and they went to $27 for ClickMagick. So it's a huge difference in price, and especially if you just want to use it for the tracking and stuff like that. So much better. Okay, let's add a link. Let's call it let's look for the P. My phone number's popping up. I don't need to take it out. It's fine. Primary URL. Let's see. I have this pulled up. Copy the link address. Okay. There's some advanced instructions. I advise you to use the advanced. Now, if you have a backup URL, just put that here. I'm going to blank for now. Okay, these are pretty self-explanatory. But here's the blocked URL again. Two places. User. I suggest block all of this. Someone clicking 100,000 times is probably what this is here. Anonymous proxy spiders from the spiders from like Google. Let's just block it off. Okay. Save. Okay, and then up here we have total clicks, unique clicks, flag clicks, blocked clicks, action comparison rate. Okay, guys, Chrome froze on me at this point yesterday. So I came back today and had to reboot the computer and fix it. We're good to go. Okay, so this is where we left off. And as you can tell, I went ahead this morning and started running some solo ads with at least this person, so we can tell that it's working. And if we go to in, okay, you take this link here and copy it. And we're going to put this in DropFunnels because I use DropFunnels. A lot of people use ClickFunnels. If you use ClickFunnels, then you want to take okay, this is an image. You can take the whole thing or just this part right here. If you use ClickFunnels and copy it, and you can do the same thing that I'm fixing to show you in DropFunnels, if you can do it in ClickFunnels, is go to the second page, no matter what funnel builder you're in. Okay, and it's a picture. So we're literally going to add a picture. Okay. Then media library has like a URL, and you paste it. Shelly didn't copy it, right? Okay, we're not going to copy that one. I actually tried that, and that does not work with DropFunnels. It wants this link. So some stuff's not always built the same. Let's see if it's still there. It is. Okay. URL. Oh, I already added it, so it's not there. Anyways, so that, let me delete this. Because I went ahead and added it. Let's go back here. So that's how, right here. Okay, on my dashboard, since I have some stuff running, this is kind of cool because now I can show you. Okay, so that's how I'm doing from this morning. And keep clicking up. Click happy. Also, I have spent a lot of time with solo ads, so I know who's good and I know who's bad. So if you ever want some advice, just leave it down below, and I don't mind telling you. I think it's pretty decent and pretty at price range. Computer's going crazy. Okay. Okay, so that's here. Also, I was going to tell you while we're here. Okay. Now, like if you're testing everything, and all your numbers are not going to be accurate. So right before you run something with a solo ad provider, reset your link, and that resets it back to zero. Also, say we wanted to run the same, excuse me, the same funnel with another clone. You just clone it. Let's name it Solo Provider C. I think I already did. Yeah, I put Solo Provider here. No, earlier. But it'll keep it the same. So let's just make sure that I'm not crazy. Okay, there it is. It keeps all the information. This is one that I did too. It keeps all the information. So that's really it in a nutshell. Thanks. I can go ahead to tell you, I don't ever use that. You can go in, it has help center here. You can go in their Facebook group, you can go to the Facebook chat. Honestly, they're kind of slow. So if I've ever had any questions, I just contacted support directly. And then your affiliate stuff is here. Mine's a 0 because I just opened this. I haven't used it in a long time. I just want to show you where it's at. And then you have your link right here. So it's really easy if you wanted to. If you like something, you want to share it and tell everybody else about it. And you can save money, then let's save some money. Speaking of saving money, I told you wait to the last of the video. What I really was going to tell you about, guys, it's DropFunnels. If you want to be an affiliate, you can make some money with it because they pay out 30%, but that's not why I want to tell you you should do it. You should do it because just like this, I mean, look how much money QLiker is going to save you. So instead of getting all of the other high-priced stuff to track your links, use QLiker, especially if you're just, you're not doing all the fancy stuff that's like ClickMagick. Most people that I know use ClickMagick don't even use half of that stuff. So if you have, and I'm just going to say DropFunnels, for example, because that's what I use, but I love DropFunnels, don't get me wrong. But if you have that or Builderall, whatever it is, they're at least $100 for the lowest plan or $300 for the highest. And DropFunnels, it's $50 for the lowest, and it's going to be $200 for the highest. If you watch this video anytime soon while I'm doing it, then it's going to be $100 for the highest plan. So everybody's getting on for the $100 because it hasn't even been out that long. So if you wait a while to see this video, still $50 versus $100 and $200 versus $300. And it comes with so much more. It's been 10 times faster. Oh my gosh, the speed is the #1 thing that everybody's talking about. It's like crazy. So imagine how much open rates are going to quadruple. And you get your blog. You can have your website on it. You get your funnel builder on it. And it's easy. It's point and click. You saw me. You just drag stuff back and forth. And we have customer support that's there to help us anytime that we need it. Ernest is awesome. But it has built-in SEO. It has link tracking, but for just when you click on the links. It doesn't have conversion rates or anything. But it has so much more. I'm not going to tell you about that in the video. I have some more videos on YouTube. I was going to tell you about that because that can save you a lot of money, guys. And we're here to help each other out and save each other money. I'll have a link if you're interested in it down below for DropFunnels. Also, I have a bunch of bonuses. If you click on the link, and I have a video that tells you. And I've recently decided to add another bonus, which is going to be personal training. I'm going to provide a personal video teaching you exactly what you need to do. And if you still are confused or you need help bringing like a special funnel over from ClickFunnels, then I can help you with that. We'll do a Zoom and we'll knock it out. I'll help you. That's one of my bonuses because I want you to succeed as well. Okay. Down below, I'll also have, if you're into QLiker, I call it QLiker, down below if you're interested in that as well. Also, I do affiliate marketing, and I just recently did a really cool ebook on affiliate marketing, and it also tells you the #1 thing that I recommend. It's a high ticket that you really should check out. Okay? If you got anything on this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. Until the next video, thanks.